Okay, this is the last bag, and I just want to show this little harvest. So, I think we saved the best for last. Look at all these pretty guys coming out. There was one of the bags that was just full of leaves and kept on growing really nice and tall. It was ahead of the crowd, and I think this is that bag. So look at all these here. And take out some big chunks and pull out these stems. Oh, there's some more. Let's see, coming through. A little guy. Oh, another little guy. So I could turn these bags right upside down, but then you gotta start, like, the potatoes aren't directly at the very bottom. That's where the starts are. And the potatoes don't grow until the stems get up a little bit higher. So that's why you need to add your soil in as the